Topic number 6. Part 1. The Judicial System of Pakistan. Introduction. The judicial system of Pakistan is a structured hierarchy of courts designed to uphold justice, interpret laws, and resolve disputes. Rooted in both common law principles inherited from British rule and Islamic jurisprudence, Pakistan's judiciary plays a crucial role in maintaining the rule of law. At the top of this system is the Supreme Court, followed by high courts in each province and district courts at the local level. Additionally, specialized courts and tribunals, such as family courts, anti-terrorism courts, and Shariat courts, cater to specific legal matters. Despite its well-defined structure, the judicial system faces challenges like delayed justice, judicial corruption, political influence, and limited access to justice. This lecture provides an in-depth look into the functioning of Pakistan's judiciary, comparing it with global legal systems and highlighting the reforms needed for a more efficient and fair legal framework. 1. Court structure. 1.1 Supreme Court of Pakistan, the highest court. The Supreme Court is the most powerful court in Pakistan. It has the final authority on all legal matters, and its decisions apply to all other courts in the country. Main powers of the Supreme Court. 1. Interprets the constitution. It explains and decides the meaning of the laws in Pakistan. 2. Hears appeals. If someone is not satisfied with a High Court's decision, they can appeal to the Supreme Court. 3. Suo motu powers. Article 184. 3. The Supreme Court can take action on its own if it sees an important issue affecting the public. 4. Advises the President. Article 186. If the President of Pakistan has a legal question, they can ask the Supreme Court for advice. The Chief Justice of Pakistan, CJP, leads the Supreme Court along with other judges. Their decisions impact the entire country. 1.2 High Courts, the second most powerful courts. Each province and the federal capital, Islamabad, has its own High Court. Lahore High Court, Punjab. Sindh High Court, Sindh. Peshawar High Court, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Balochistan High Court, Balochistan. Islamabad High Court, Federal Territory. Functions of the High Courts. 1. Hears appeals, reviews decisions of lower courts, district courts, if someone is not satisfied with the verdict. 2. Handles constitutional petitions, Article 199. If someone's rights are violated by the government or a lower court, they can file a petition in the High Court. 3. Supervises lower courts, ensures district courts work fairly and properly. 4. Issues special orders, writs. Habeas corpus orders the release of a person who is being illegally detained. Certiorari cancels an incorrect decision made by a lower court. Prohibition stops a lower court from acting beyond its power. Mandamus orders a government officer or lower court to perform their legal duty. Quo warranto checks if a person is legally holding a government position. 1.3 District courts, the local courts. District courts are the first place where most people go when they have legal problems. Each district has a district court to handle cases. Types of cases district courts handle. 1. Civil cases, property disputes, contracts, marriage issues, money matters, etc. 2. Criminal cases, theft, murder, fraud, and other crimes under the Pakistan Penal Code, PPC. Judges in the district courts. 1. District and sessions judge, the most senior judge in a district, handling both civil and criminal cases. 2. Additional sessions judges help the district judge by handling serious cases. 3. Civil judges and magistrates handle minor cases like small property disputes, traffic violations, and petty crimes. 2. Specialized courts and tribunals in Pakistan. A simple explanation. Pakistan has specialized courts and tribunals to handle specific types of cases. These courts ensure quicker and more focused justice in certain legal matters. 2.1 Family Courts resolving family disputes. Family courts handle legal matters related to family relationships. They are governed by the Family Courts Act, 1964 and aim for quick and fair resolutions. What do family courts handle? 1. Marriage and divorce cases, disputes between husband and wife, including divorce, talaq, and separation. 2. Child custody and maintenance, decides which parent will take care of the child after divorce and ensures financial support. 3. Guardianship disputes, appoints legal guardians if parents cannot take care of their children. Why are family courts important? They provide a private and less formal environment for sensitive matters. They focus on quick resolutions to reduce stress for families. 2.2 Anti-Terrorism Courts, ATCs, handling terrorism cases. Established under the Anti-Terrorism Act, 1997, ATCs handle terrorism-related cases quickly. What types of cases do ATCs handle? 1. Terrorism financing, investigating and punishing those who fund terrorist activities. 2. Extremist activities, acts of violence by extremist groups. 3. Sectarian violence, crimes due to religious or sectarian conflicts. Why are ATCs necessary? Terrorism is a serious threat to national security, requiring swift trials. Special procedures protect witnesses and judges from threats. 2.3 Shariat courts ensuring Islamic compliance. The Federal Shariat Court, FSC, ensures Pakistan's laws follow Islamic teachings. Powers of the Federal Shariat Court. 1. Examines laws, reviews Pakistan's laws to check if they follow Islamic principles. 2. Strikes down un-Islamic laws, can remove or modify laws against Islamic teachings. 3. Reviews hudud ordinances. Hudud laws deal with crimes like theft, adultery, and alcohol consumption under Islamic law. 2.4 Accountability courts fighting corruption. Accountability courts handle corruption, fraud, and financial crimes under the National Accountability Ordinance, NAO, 1999. What cases do they handle? 1. Corruption and bribery, public officials taking illegal payments. 2. Embezzlement of public funds, government money being stolen or misused. 3. Illegal financial transactions, money laundering, tax fraud, and fake business deals. 3. Comparative study of judicial systems. 3.1 Common law system, law based on precedents. The common law system relies on judicial precedents, past court decisions. Key features. 1. Based on precedents, past rulings guide future cases. 2. Doctrine of stare decisis, lower courts follow higher court decisions. 3. Judges have an active role, judges interpret laws. Common law countries. United States, United Kingdom, India, Canada. 3.2 Civil law system, a law based on written codes. The civil law system relies on codified laws, meaning judges must apply the law without considering past decisions. Key features. 1. Laws are codified, everything is written in legal codes. 2. Judicial decisions do not serve as precedents, past rulings do not affect future cases. 3. Judges have an inquisitorial role, judges investigate cases actively. Civil law countries. France, Germany, Japan, Saudi Arabia. 3.3 Differences between common law and civil law. Feature. Basis of law. Common law system. Basis of law. Civil law system. Codified laws. Feature. Role of judges. Common law system. Role of judges. Civil law system. Apply law strictly. Feature. Legal process. Common law system. Adversarial, two sides argue. Civil law system. Inquisitorial, judge investigates. Feature. Judicial review. Common law system. Strong. Civil law system. Limited. 3.4 Pakistan's hybrid judicial system, a combination of laws. Pakistan's legal system blends common law and Islamic law. Key features. 1. Common law influence courts follow past case precedents. 2. Islamic law influence the Federal Shariat Court ensures Islamic compliance. 3. Codified laws like the Pakistan Penal Code provide clear legal rules. Pakistan's hybrid system balances flexibility and stability, ensuring justice while following constitutional and Islamic principles.